Our Father in heaven needs you to know that this is your year where He is finally releasing you from old cycles, from old habits, from old relational patterns. Your dynamic, which was once dysfunctional and unhealthy for you, is now going to be renewed and strengthened. He has refined you, and I mean really refined you, like refined you by fire. It was hard, it was intense, and in hindsight, if you look back at everything that He's already achieved within you to complete you, it happened quickly. So thank Him in advance for expediting your growth. Thank Him in advance for expediting your healing. Thank Him in advance for maturing you. Your Father in heaven has given you spiritual keys. He has given you the keys to the kingdom. This year, my love, in 2026, the Hebrew year 5786, expect establishment. Expect expansion, because God is giving you the grace to build. Type reset in the comments if this is your word. If you know that the Lord has been aligning you, if you know that the Lord has been refining you, if you know that the Lord has been healing you, if you know that the Lord has been purifying you, then type reset in the comments. The assignment over your life, the calling and the mantle that you are designed to carry is going to be made clearer this year. You will become unshakable, unrecognizable in your identity. God will continue to expand you as long as you continue to steward what He blesses you with faithfully. He's not requiring that you be perfect, but He is requiring that you be faithful. Hallelujah. He says that He will give you a hope in a future. He knows that the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But for you, my love, He's making it plain and clear to see that He is giving you a life, and a life to have more abundantly. So prepare for rest. Prepare for a release. Prepare for your blessings.